I woke up to dozens of messages on WhatsApp on Saturday morning. Photos and footage of utter devastation, sheer horror, buildings demolished, families decimated, children crying and their parents trying very hard to calm them down. Some are counting the dead. Others, slightly less unfortunate, are trying to catch up on sleep in the middle of the streets, worried the earthquake might retaliate and they would find themselves buried under the walls of their own homes. Morocco is going through the biggest tragedy it has ever lived since the Agadir earthquake. The whole world was shocked at the scale of human and material damage they have been witness to. Faced with the harrowing pictures,
The realization of what was happening hit. My door that usually makes weird noises when there's strong airflow began to do just that. Thinking I could fix it by just opening it, nausea hit in, and the floor swung back and forth. And there it was, acceptance. My parents ran out of their room.
Night September 2023 was a frightening night for all Moroccans, as the earthquake hit Morocco with the 6.9 magnitude, and it's considered as one of the most aggressive earthquake in Morocco history. At that moment, I was lying on my bed, scrolling on my phone. Suddenly, I felt something odd. After that, I saw
September 9th, 2023, 11/11 was a nightmare for all Moroccans. That night, an earthquake of 7 degrees had destroyed a lot of rural areas and more region around Marrakesh, the red city of Morocco itself. Half of the country fell, and a lot of innocent souls were lost. For me, it was a traumatizing experiment. I was in the basement, so I didn't feel it in the beginning, but I have seen the walls strongly
at 11:15 p.m. Earthquake shook Morocco exactly in Al house with 6.8 hertz, and that struck Moroccan people informally. And some websites say the number of victims is 20,862.
p.m., a natural disaster hit Morocco, especially the area of Al House Shishawa. But the shake was so hard that we even felt it at my city and other cities of Morocco. It was the strongest earthquake that shocked Morocco since a century. During the earthquake, I was at home with my family when suddenly everything started shaking. At first, I thought it was just a delusion, but it started getting harder, so I realized that it wasn't.
thank you for sharing with us your different experiences. That's all for our first episode. See you next time.